Hey guys, Easton Holder here with Raised Outdoors, and today we're talking about another review on one of the trail cameras we have in our store. That's shopraisedoutdoors.com, and today it's the Reveal XB by Tactacam. A couple great features for this. One, it's at a pretty good price, $149.99. It's universal, so you can do AT&T and Verizon. You just pick one that you want to set your cellular data up with. You don't have to go choose one or another, depending on what camera you want to get. You can do both. Another great thing is that it's very high quality as far as the images go. It goes up to 24 megapixels. You can obviously change that. I believe you can do 16, 8, and 4. Another great thing about it is you have a half-second trigger speed, so you got deer running by, squirrels running by, whatever else you're trying to get pictures of, you're getting those really quick. It has HD video, HD photos, some of the highest quality photos you can get, and with the Reveal app, it's extremely easy. You get those photos, you get previews and videos, and if you want the highest quality of them, you can request those and get them right there on your phone. Another great thing about it is that you have the no glow IR technology. So what that is basically is at night, you don't have the flash. Older trail cameras, they're starting to get away from them now, but older trail cameras, you'll have a pretty bright flash that you'll see when you're walking and it's pitch dark. And to the human eye, if we're seeing it, obviously an animal is probably going to see it pretty well too. So they've pretty well gotten rid of that with this one too. That's one of the great features I do enjoy about it, so that when you have animals walking by at night, they're really not even noticing that your trail camera is sitting there on a tree or anything, and you're still getting great quality photos. So today it's the Reveal XB. Again, it's $149.99, has tons of great features. Check the website out, guys, at shopraisedoutdoors.com and get even more information on it than you did right now. So have a great day.